Sunrise, a gentle reminder rise with purpose. Ocean therapy, salt water for the soul. Nature heals what the world breaks. Among trees, find your peace. Breath and forest, exhale trees. Where the wildflowers bloom, worries fade. Beneath sky we are all stardust. Sunsets in serenity, nature's daily patristic.